Guess what time it is? Packing time, coming up right now. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Christina. By now you might know, but former and future culture representative for Germany. My next adventure coming up January 2019. So in 9 days I will be leaving on my second culture representative program, and it's ding 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 packing time. By now this is my fourth time packing for a year abroad. Do you have things figured out by now? Somewhat. Am I professional? Maybe not. Do I like packing? Not so much, but since I like things organized and figured out, and I like to plan, and I like to just be prepared, I am taking you guys on my little packing journey. Plus, packing videos are the most popular ones and the most asked for ones for people who are going abroad, especially doing a Disney program. So there you go. Here are my 2 cents on packing. So first things first, there is one major rule I go by, and that is I will make sure to pack anything and everything I know I have here that I most definitely will be also needing in Florida as far as possible, simply because I hate the fact of spending money on things I already have just back home and I failed to take them with me. So I will most definitely pack a bunch of random things where you'd be like, well, hold on, but what? But that's important to me, is not to spend or waste money on things over there that I already have over here, while they are like cosmetic products turning bad over here. Or if I have, like, for example, black socks, so random, but for work I will have to wear black socks because it's part of my costume every single day. Now here in Germany I have probably like 25 pair of black socks, so if I just take like 3 or 4 with me, that will be not enough for a whole week of work, for example. So I would go and end up buying a black socks over there in the US, while I have like 20 other pairs over here, and I hate stuff like that. I'll just take it with me. So after that whole year, if those black socks are in bad condition and I have to throw them out, that's perfectly fine by me, because I can always buy cheap socks over here. Plus, that means I have more empty space for things that I bought in the US to take back home with me to Germany. So that's sort of my plan. You might have a different rule or different priorities. Those are going to be mine, and they're pretty much optional. All right, so now let's have a look at what I am packing for my year as culture representative. Now here you can see everything I will be packing to take with me to Orlando. I am allowed to take one 23-kilogram suitcase and 8-kilogram carry-on with me. A second suitcase would have cost me 90 euros, but honestly I'd rather pay that kind of money for a second suitcase on my way back home to Germany, filled with many good things bought in the US during my program. So now let's start with clothes. Of course, I'm packing a bunch of different shirts, all kinds of tops for sunny Florida, but I'm also bringing some long sleeve shirts, a hoodie, a cardigan, and a pullover for colder days, and of course for times when the AC in public places is going wild again. So definitely not only bring tank tops, but also some long sleeves along. Same when it comes to pants. I have shorts, I have leggings that I tend to wear more often in Florida. Of course, some jeans. Well, basically the pants that I prefer wearing over there in the heat, but also that are my favorites to wear over here in Germany. I'm definitely also bringing some professional and sophisticated items with me, besides my casual personal clothes. That's because Disney's expecting you to dress professionally for traditions and some of the other appointments that they have the second week of your program. So, nothing too fancy, but make sure to bring either a nice pair of like black pants, for example, or a skirt with you, and then some tops, some business tops, some blouses, or for guys, dress shirts. You don't really have to wear a tie or a bow or anything like that, but make sure to have a good quality professional clothes with you for those appointments. A bunch of items I just mentioned are hidden in these awesome cubes you see. Those are new and I got them off of Amazon because I was looking for a way to make everything fit. Now these travel cubes are super cool because they are compressing everything you put in them. They have two zippers, one that goes around one side and closes the cube, the second one around the opposite side and compresses everything together. It's so convenient and it saves so much space, and we're all about saving that space and putting more stuff in there. So you'll find a link to them down in the description below. Make sure to check it out. In the smaller cube, I was able to fit all of my underwear in. I kind of believe it wouldn't be a good idea to have my underwear on display here on YouTube, so you guys just need to believe me on that one. Besides that, I also have my bathing suit and some socks hiding in that little one. The other one has some other stuff like cardigans in there that I still need to zip. Next we have my shoes. I'm bringing some comfy sneakers, some flip-flops, wedges, and some gym sneakers. Let's see how many times I'll be using those. The green longshore will be my personal item to take with me on the airplane, holding all of my valuables like my laptop and my personal items with me that I will be needing on an airplane. Besides that, I'm also taking two more different size purses. Again, one black, more professional looking one for traditions, but frankly that's more of my style anyways, so I'll be using it more than just for traditions. Now here's a big and heavy part of my suitcase: toiletries and personal care items. As mentioned in one of my previous videos, I will be bringing many bottles of spray deodorant and makeup removal wipes with me because they are way more expensive in the US compared to Germany. This set of travel size bottles is brand new in as well, and I bought it off of Amazon too. They are made of silicone, so they are so easy to squeeze every single little drop out of them, and they're easy to fill and leak proof. I like them way better than the ones that you can buy in some of the stores with the tough plastic, because it's so hard to get everything out once you have used half of the bottle. So something I forgot to mention in my other video is taking sunscreen with me, because obviously they sell sunscreen in Florida, but it's way more expensive. I was really surprised. So grabbing some sunscreen. Besides that, some medication. Make sure to bring them in original packing. Just some basic medication for headaches, for tummy aches, and all that jazz. So nothing too fancy, nothing too special, just some basic stuff. And they're wrapped in their original packaging in case security is asking, what's that? Next, I have even more toiletries that I use on a daily basis. The green bags next to it are reusable shopping bags that I'll be trying to reduce my use of plastic bags to save the environment as much as I can. Well, after using spray deodorant, I guess. So besides that, I am bringing a straightener that I bought on my last program, so it works in the US. Before taking any electronics with you, make sure they would work in the US. Underneath that, I have my 3-fold mirror, travel mirror. Big shout out to my roomie Bethan for introducing it to me. I got it off of Amazon. It's amazing. Besides that, down there is a bag that holds all of my cables and my adapters, my flash drives, my cables, and also all the good stuff, SD cards and power banks. Here's an adapter that works in pretty much every single country. I am well prepared no matter where I'm going. Got that one online, I think, as well. They have a more fancier one. It's like all-in-one international, but this one I've had it for a while and I just don't want to get rid of it. This bag is for dirty laundry. I've had it on in my last program. It takes no space up whatsoever in my suitcase. That's why I'm bringing it along. Some other people I heard are bringing those IKEA big bags with them. Great idea. They barely take any space up as well. So here's my makeup bag, the very last thing I will be packing on the day that I'm going to be departing. So up here, my good old name tag from my last program for good luck. Why not? And most importantly, some documents. Of course, my passport, my German passport. Then in that wallet over here, I have all my important documents folded up, like my my petition, my letter of acceptance, my offer letter from Disney with my role, then some insurance papers, some driver's license, IDs, and all that jazz. Disney will tell you what to bring. Don't panic. You will know because Disney will let you know. Now, last but not least, of course, after my documents, I'll have some sweets and goodies from Germany. Some of them are for me, some of them are for some friends that I already have in Orlando from my last program. So in case I have a bad day or anything like that, I have some real good chocolate to eat and some good old gummy bears. But besides that, most of the stuff just gonna be presents for my friends. So I hope you all paid close attention and took a lot of notes because it's all very important. No, just kidding. But as a matter of fact, I did create a packing list for you based on this video to help you with packing for your own program. You'll find it with all of the other links down below. I hope you like it and that it will help you deal with the packing stress. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think I kind of forgot to pack, or what random items you will be taking with you that you can just not live without. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want helpful tips and tricks every single Thursday on how to save time, money, and a lot of stress while having the most magical year of your life. If you want a bit more of a personal experience and follow me along on my journey over there to the US, make sure to follow me on Instagram. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Thursday. Bye bye.